So my father, when I was a child growing up, was incredibly involved in the David Herman Theatre, which was the Yiddish theatre at the Kadima. I remember as a kid growing up in the 60s, only a couple of minutes from where I live here in Elstonwick in Ripponlea, we had a delicatessen, and we lived in a dwelling on top of the delicatessen. My father, as you learn certain words when you're growing up, and gedenk als gewen bloß Probes in Zitsungen. So, where are you going tonight, Dad? Ich gehe auf a Sitzung. And I couldn't quite work out as a young child in the 60s what is actually a Sitzung and what is a Probe. And there was a lot of Probes. So my father was continually involved in a play or a cabaret or a reading, plus he was also a teacher in the Yiddish school. So we had a very, very deep Yiddish home life.